All right, today we're changing out the cabin air filter on my Subaru Impreza. It's a 2019. We bought this used, and we're putting one of these guys in, a new filter. We're going to start out by popping this guy off. That just pulls right off. That's our little damper. We got a clip here, boom. We got a clip here, boom. Make sure we're going to support that for a second. Then when this comes out, you have to get it low enough the whole thing comes out. These are D-shaped, so you got to get this to a certain angle so they pop out. And we got this. This is our air filter spot. Boom. Pull that right off. Reach in here. This is our old filter. Let's see how dirty this is. Boom. Leaves and stuff. Yeah. So this is the top, and it's pulling air down into here. That's important because this is directional. Let's see, we want our airflow to be down. So this fan is pulling air down. Then we pop our new filter in. We get rid of that guy. I'm going to throw that away later. I'm not just leaving my air filters in the lawn. So once you hook this little guy in, you just push. Snaps in. Give it a little safety pull, make sure that's secure. Then we're going to take our clips and line them up. And you got to get it low enough, like I said earlier. And then we push up. This pops into place, our clip here and our clip here. Then we come down to our damper. And you have to pull this back out and slip it right over, and it pops into place. And that is how you change a cabin air filter in a Subaru Impreza. And clean all that stuff, especially if you have allergies. It's a good idea. But right behind here, and pop a new one in there, and we'll see you next time.